what I'd like future generations to know is that this culture belongs to them, that they have a right to take it, to explore it, to create something of their own in it. There is a potentially very destabilizing kind of experience in not knowing language, in not being able to possess a, uh, a, a set of skills that and a fluency that makes them feel secure and that gives them the right to participate. But I really hope that they'll be kind of bold and fearless. That Jewish culture and Jewish literacy and Yiddish culture and Yiddish literacy is hard come by. It's work, and because we don't live in a Yiddish land, right, in a full environment, for an adult who's smart and fluent and spontaneous, there is an awkwardness to expressing oneself, to feeling competent, to feeling brave about representing this culture. But the only way that it's going to persist is in that courage. And it's a lot to ask of people. But they have every right, and in a way they have a responsibility if they want to take that on. And I wish for them that kind of courage and recklessness, to just throw themselves at it and to own it, because the culture needs them. There is no Yiddish land. There will be no Yiddish culture makers after a certain point in time who were born in a fully functioning Yiddish world. And it is a crazy project to try to live and create something of this culture. But there are all kinds of sources for receiving it and for participating. And it's a generous community. So, people will continue to be invited in. The project is hard, but I think that it fits the project of Jewish life. What I love about Yiddish culture, what I love about modern Jewish culture is its Golistikkeit, is its off-balance quality. I think there's an enormous opportunity to live in that modesty, where you're not, culturally dominant, and where the culture needs your energy and needs your desire and needs your participation.